loves, how's everybody doing today? I hope great. So I'm back with another shoe DIY. Yay! You're going to need some of these black slides. You can find them at Walmart for $5.96. And let me tell you, this is so easy. It's so cool. You can customize these slides any way you want. But today I'm going to be using denim and some bling bling. So if you want to do it this way, you'll need some bling bling. You're going to need some E6000. You're going to need some clothespins. You're going to need some denim. The first thing you want to do is measure the denim onto the shoe like I'm doing right here. And then once you get it all situated, you're going to cut it. If you keep, like this is the bottom of a pants leg, like one of my kids, and if you keep it like that, then all you have to do is make that one cut, then cut it in half, and that'll be your denim pieces for both slides. And so you just measure it out, get it cut, glue it down. Then once you get it all glued down, you're going to use the clips to hold it in place while it dries. After you make any necessary trim, you want to be sure to work out any air pockets that you may have created when placing the denim. The cool thing about working with E6000 is that you have a little time to make any any adjustments before it dries completely. So like I said, like you see me here, I'm just working out those little air pockets that got created when I was gluing it down. Now it's time to add your bling. You could be creative and do it however you want. I wasn't sure if I wanted mine near the top, near the bottom, in the middle. I eventually chose the middle, measured it out, cut it, and put the E6000 glue on the back of my little bling. You can find this bling on Amazon and or at Michael's, probably at Hobby Lobby too. I got this one from Michael's though. No, I got this one from Hobby Lobby. I take that back. Anyway, so once you put the E6000 glue on there, just plop it on there. Again, once you get it situated, you're going to work out any air pockets, make sure it's smooth and seamless, make any necessary trim, and then all you got to do is let it dry for 24 hours and then you'll be good to go. And there you have it, your diamond and denim slides. Super easy to make. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber to this channel. And be sure to follow me on all my other social media outlets. And that will be in the description box down below. And until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Mwah. Bye, guys.
Shine bright like a diamond.